Here's a Whirlpool microwave here, which appears to be one of the older ones. It's a push button microwave. I'm pretty sure it was made in the early 2000s. Inside needs some, it's not in perfect shape. I mean, it needs a cleaning. So light bulb still works surprisingly after, I'd say, like 22 years. Unless if it got replaced. Anyway, this is the sticker. This is model MT1100SHQ-1. This is manufactured in May 2001. So I'm pretty sure this is the oldest microwave I made a video on so far. So let's really show that up. So here's the controls here. See, we got cook time, basic controls, you know. So anyways, let's go ahead and test this without nothing in it. Anyways, that's about it.